Artificial intelligence, or AI, is revolutionizing the world around us. From voice assistants to self-driving cars, AI is at the heart of technological innovation. But how can you, as a beginner, embark on the journey to learn AI? Let's break it down. Start by grasping the fundamental concepts of AI. This includes understanding machine learning, neural networks, and natural language processing. A great starting point is the Elements of AI course, developed by the University of Helsinki and Minalearn. It's a free online course designed to demystify AI and make it accessible to everyone. Next, dive into Python programming. Python is the lingua franca of AI development due to its simplicity and powerful libraries. Begin with basic tutorials and gradually explore libraries like NumPy for numerical computations, Pandas for data manipulation, and Matplotlib for data visualization. With a solid programming foundation, venture into machine learning. This subset of AI focuses on algorithms that learn from data. Consider enrolling in the Deep Learning specialization by deeplearning.ai, led by Andrew Ng. This comprehensive series covers neural networks, deep learning, and more. Theory is essential, but practice is paramount. Apply your knowledge by working on hands-on projects. Platforms like Kaggle offer datasets and competitions to hone your skills. Additionally, the Practical Deep Learning for Coders course by Fast.ai provides real-world projects to enhance your learning experience. Engage with AI communities to share knowledge and stay informed about the latest developments. Following experts like Andrej Karpathy, who co-designed Stanford's first deep learning course, can provide valuable insights and inspiration. AI is a rapidly evolving field. Dedicate time to read research papers, attend webinars, and participate in workshops. This commitment will help you adapt to new technologies and methodologies. As you gain proficiency, consider delving into specialized areas like natural language processing, computer vision, or robotics. These fields offer diverse opportunities and challenges. Embarking on the AI learning journey requires dedication and curiosity. By following this structured approach, you can build a strong foundation and progressively advance